In this video, I'm going to show you how to create AI-generated emails in Mailchimp quickly and easily, so you can turn plain email copy into polished content in just a few clicks. This is a great way to save time if you want to improve your newsletter, rewrite a section of your email, or make your message sound more professional, urgent, or playful depending on your audience. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Mailchimp and sign into your account. Once you're inside your dashboard, go to the email editor for the campaign or email you want to update. This is where you'll make your changes using AI. After the editor opens, find the text section you want to improve and click directly on it. As soon as you click the text, you'll see editing options appear on the right side, near the text area. This is where Mailchimp gives you tools to customize and rewrite your content. Now click on Write with AI. This is the feature that lets Mailchimp generate new text for you based on the content you already have. Once you open it, you'll be able to set the tone for your message. You can choose options like professional, urgent, or playful, depending on the style you want your email to have. If you're sending a business update, professional might work best. If you're trying to create urgency for a promotion, urgent is a strong choice. And if you want your email to sound more friendly and casual, playful can be a great option. After selecting your tone, Mailchimp will generate several content suggestions for you. Take a look through the options and choose the one that fits your email best. You can always review the wording to make sure it matches your brand voice and message. When you find the version you like, click Apply. Mailchimp will then insert the AI-generated text into your email editor automatically. From there, you can make any final edits you want, such as adjusting a sentence, adding a link, or fine-tuning the call to action. And that's it. You've now created AI-generated email content in Mailchimp without having to write everything from scratch. It's fast, it's simple, and it's a really useful way to speed up your email workflow. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.